chapter 15 of section 3, Demeanor, Greediness, Food, Wine, Games of Chance. Aladab al-Salwaka Asharhu al-Mawaddal Mahrama al-Hamre al-Maisara. So all intoxicants, really. In all games of chance. Yabani Adama Kudu Zinatakakum Endakule Masjidin Wakulu Washrabu Wala Tusrefu Innahu La Yuhibbul Musrafin Ya Yuhannasu Kulu Mimafi Al-Arde Halalan Tayyiban Wala Tatabi'u Kutuwate Shayatine Innahu Lakum Aduun Mubin Ya Yuhaladina Amanu Kulu Min Tayyibate Marazaknakum Washkurulahe In Kuntum Iyahu Ta'abudun. Surah 7, 831. O sons of Adam, civilized man, so all humans really. Put on fine garments, eat whenever you enter into a mosque, a place of prostration, eat and drink, but do not exceed, for God loves not those who commit excess. And we could say God doesn't like the extremist traits. In another way of translating that, Surah 2, 868. O ye men, eat, referring to all humans here, eat of the good and lawful things that are upon the earth, and follow not the footsteps of Satan, for he is your constant enemy. Now, in Islam, things have to be killed in the name of God, and, they don't run things off cliffs or beat them to death or all sorts of stuff. They're just, pierce the heart or the neck, or, it has to be done right. The very dirty, very foul. We don't eat the swine and the meat-eating land animals. We don't eat the carrion. We don't eat the blood or the places where the blood is pulled. That are upon the earth and all of this is your constant enemy. Surah 2, 872. O ye believers, eat of the good things which we have granted you. Give thanks unto God, if it be him you worship. And one of the things that we really should look at is what's lawful and what's wholesome. And let me double check the pages here. Okay, we do there was this thing, and usually when you have that square thing, we're done with the chapter, but wala takulu mimma lam yudhkaris malahe alayhi wa annahu la fisqun wa inna shayatina layuhudna illa awliyaihim liyujadilukum wa in ata'atumuhum innakum la mushrikun. Hurmat alaykum maitatu wa damu wa lahmul khinzir wa ma'uhilla langayrullahi bahi wal munqanikatu wal mawqudatu wal mutaradiyatu wa natihatu wa ma'akalla sabuhu illa ma dhakaitum wa ma zubiha ala nusbe wa an tastat semu bil azlame dhalikum fisqun al yawma Ya isaladina kafaru min dinakum fala takshawhum wakshawne al yawmo akmaltu lakum dinakum. Surah 6, 821. Eat not of what the name of God has not been pronounced over. This would be sacrilege. The devils would induce their friends to discuss with you on this point. If you obey them, verily you will be amongst those who do not believe in the one God, literally those who give associates to God. Surah 5, ayat 3 to 5. Forbidden to you are the dead beast, the blood, flesh of swine. As I pointed out before, there's a lot more to the term khanzir, but if it has fangs, talons, or claws, right? That the animal sacrificed in the name of an other and God, the smothered beast, and the felled, and the gored, and the victim of a fall, the animal partly eaten by wild beasts, unless you've slaughtered it, and what is sacrificed in the names of idols. Forbidden to you is also to sound the future by divining arrows. This is sacrilege. And also, you don't shuffle the cards. No, I can tell the future because the cards fell this way. No, you don't do any oracles in that way. Sacrilege today, the misbelievers despair of overthrowing your religion. Fear them not, but fear me. Today I have defined the interdicts of your religion, fulfilled my favor upon you, so I've literally perfected your religion. Wa atmamtu alaykum ni'amati wa raditu lakumul islama dinan famanid turafi makmasatin gaira mutajanifin li'ithme fa innallaha ghafurun rahim yas'alunaka madha uhidla lahum قل أحل لكم الطيبات وما علمتم من الجوارح مكلبين تعلمونهن مما علمكم الله فكلوا مما أمسكنا عليكم واذكروا اسم الله عليه واتقوا الله إن الله سريع الحساب اليوم أحل لكم الطيبات وطعام الذين أوتوا الكتاب حل لكم وطعامكم حل لهم. You and chosen Islam, surrender to God for your religion. He who is forced by hunger to infringe these prescriptions and who is not inclined to sin will be absolved, for God is forgiving and compassionate. They will ask you what is lawful for them. Say, lawful for you are good things, what you have taught hunting beasts to catch, training them like dogs, conformably to what God has taught you. So eat of what they catch for you. Mention the name of God over their praise. Fear God, for God is prompt at balancing accounts. Law for you today are good things. The food of Jews and Christians, literally the people of the book, if they've actually followed those things, right, is lawful for you as your food is lawful for them. And then we talk about marriage. Yas alunaka anil hamre wal mesere قل فيهما إثم كبير ومنافع للناس وإثمهما أكبر من نفعهما ويسألونك ماذا ينفقون قل العفو كذلك يبين الله لكم الآيات لعلكم تتفكرون. يا أيها الذين آمنوا إنما khamru wal mesiru wal ansabu la azlamu ridsun min amale shaitane fajtanibuhu la alakum tuflehun innama yuridu shayatinu an yuqi'a bainakumul adawata wal bagda'a fil hamre wal maisire wa yasudakum an dhikrallahi wa anna salate fahal antum muntahun. Surah 2, Ayat 219, they will question thee about wine and games of chance, say, in them both is danger and profit to men, but the danger prevails over the profit. They will ask thee what they shall expend in alms, say the superfluity. Thus are explained to you the divine precepts that you may think yourselves. By superfluity, it's meant that, outside of what your actual needs are, not, oh, I want to eat this versus that, or I want to go out, drive some more, or TV. No, it's what's extra. So you figure out what your needs are, and then you get the chariot, right? Surah 5, Ayat 90 and 91. O ye believers, wine the games of chance. And by wine, they mean all intoxicants. Idols, divining arrows, are of the abominations of Satan's work. Avoid them, that you may enter the kingdom of heaven, literally succeed. By wine and games of chance, Satan only desires to foster enmity and hatred between you, and to make you forget, literally turn from, to invoke God and to celebrate the service. Will you not desist? And part of my comment was because I thought the thing ended, but we start with what's lawful and work in what's wholesome. It's like milk, for example. We can't say that everybody should be drinking milk. 60% of people in the world have an issue, and so they really shouldn't ever have it because it's not healthy ever, and it's bad for you. Now, about 10% of the world, it actually can be considered something wholesome. So, that varies per person. Some cultures, they can eat this or that. There are certain portions of nutrients and stuff that they need. After you look at what's lawful, you look, maybe you shouldn't eat meat every day, right? There's narrations to that effect. Or eat whole grains and all that stuff. But is it straight up a sin to eat something that's not whole grains, or or anything else in terms of wholesome? But you start with what's lawful, and then you work your way towards more and more goodly and wholesome.